In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add channel managers in Slack. If you've ever needed to delegate some responsibilities or simply share the workload of managing a channel, this guide is perfect for you. By making someone a channel manager, you can empower them to oversee the day-to-day activities and ensure that everything runs smoothly. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open your Slack application and navigate to the main interface. As you take in the layout, your attention should be drawn to the sidebar on the left. In this sidebar, you'll see various sections like threads, direct messages, and most importantly for us today, channels. Click on channels to reveal a list of channels that you're currently a part of. Next, think about which specific channel you'd like to assign a manager to. Once you've identified the channel, go ahead and select it. By selecting the channel, you'll open up the conversation view for that channel and you'll be able to see the ongoing discussions as well as any pinned messages that are relevant to the team. With the channel open, your next step is to access the channel's details. Make sure to click on the channel itself to bring it into full focus. Following that, perform a right-click on the channel name. Doing so will bring up a contextual menu. From this menu, keep an eye out for the option labeled View Channel Details and click on it. Inside the channel details pane, you'll notice different sections at the top, like About, Messages, and Members. You'll want to click on Members to get a comprehensive view of all the current members within the channel, including their respective roles and contributions. As you look through the list of members, you should see a three-dot icon next to each member's name. This icon is essential for making someone a channel manager. Find the member you want to promote and click on the three-dot icon next to their name. A drop-down menu will appear where you'll see the option to Make Channel Manager. Once you select this option, another prompt will ask you for final confirmation. Simply click on Make Channel Manager to finalize your selection. And there you have it. The member you selected is now a channel manager, a role that comes with added privileges for maintaining and organizing the channel's activities. You'll usually receive a brief notification letting you know that this action has been successfully completed. This simple yet effective process is an excellent way to enhance collaboration within your Slack channels by allowing trusted team members to help manage the space. Thank you for following along with us today, and we hope this guide helps streamline your workflow.